This video is made for the purpose of answering the question that what is internal energy? Some of all the microscopic forms of energy of a system is what we call as internal energy. We can also see this internal energy as sum of microscopic kinetic energies and microscopic potential energies. So now these various forms of microscopic energies are, first one is sensible energy, second one is latent energy, third one is chemical energy, and the fourth one is nuclear energy. Now we will see these one by one. First one is microscopic kinetic energy, which is nothing but the sensible energy. So what is this sensible energy? The portion of the internal energy of a system associated with the kinetic energies of the molecules is what we call as the sensible energies. Now these sensible energies comprises of, first, that is single atoms which possesses only translational kinetic energy, as is shown here. This is an atom which possesses only translational kinetic energy. Second one, polyatomic molecules which can possess translational kinetic energy, as is shown here. Rotational kinetic energy, atoms rotating about its axis, and vibrational kinetic energy, atoms vibrating. One point to note here is that vibrational motion becomes significant only at high temperatures. Now third one is electron rotational kinetic energy, that is electron rotating about its nucleus. Fourth one is electron spin energy, electron spinning. And fifth one is the nuclear spin energy, that is the nucleus spinning. Now let us talk about microscopic potential energies. Internal energy is also associated with various binding forces between, first, the molecules of a substance, second, the atoms within a molecule, the third is the particles within an atom and its nucleus. Thus consequently we have, first one, latent energy, second one, chemical energy, and third one is nuclear energy. So let us talk about these one by one. First one is latent energy. The internal energy associated with the phase of the system is what we call as latent energy. So we will have gas phase, liquid phase, and solid phase. The gas phase will have the highest internal energy, as sufficient energy has to be added to the molecules of a solid or liquid to overcome the molecular forces and break away, turning the substance into a gas phase. Now we have chemical energy, which is the internal energy associated with the atomic bonds in a molecule, and that we call as chemical energy. Here we deal with the forces between nucleus and electrons. Now the last one is the nuclear energy, which is the tremendous amount of energy associated with these strong bonds within the nucleus of the atom itself. It's called as nuclear energy. So this is all about internal energy. Thank you.